to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is actually an impromptu video. I'm getting ready to run out the door, but as you can see, I don't have my eye makeup on yet. And a couple days ago, maybe even last week, not for sure when this video is going to go up, so I'll pop a picture over here of the look I'm talking about. But I had quite a few of y'all leave comments in the comment section, tag me, DM me, and say, hey, did you by chance film that look? And I'm like, I didn't, but I can. So it's actually one of my go-to really simple looks with the Natasha Denona Biba palette. Now, I know for a lot of you guys, you're like, I'm not spending that, I'm not spending that. Don't worry, friends. Between C Color Cosmetics, between Alter Ego, I have a really good feeling that one of them, if not both of them, will end up duping this, because at the day I'm filming this, which is August 21st, it looks like C Color Cosmetics is getting ready to release a new palette that looks to be, and I could be totally wrong on this, but looks to be the dupe for the Natasha Denona Gold palette, which we know Alter Ego has actually duped that one, and it was absolutely amazing. And here recently, C Color Cosmetics did dupe the Savannah palette. Well, it's called the Savannah palette, but it's the dupe for the Safari palette by Natasha Denona. So I'm hoping that one of them will dupe the Biba palette, and you guys will be able to create this look as well. I will tell you, with the colors that I am using, I feel like they're very common colors, so you probably have this in your collection. But let's go ahead, I'm going to zoom you guys in, and I'm going to show you this quick, easy, simple, neutral, basic eye look that honestly you don't have to have the Biba palette to do this. It's just the palette that I am using. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay friends, we are up close, we are personal, and we are about to get this quick, easy, and simple look down. I will tell you guys, I do not have concealer on today. It is nothing more than my Tatcha in Moonlight. This is Tatcha the Pearl in Moonlight, and I set my under eye with the Jouer Cosmetics Hydrate Soft Focus Powder or something like that. It is in the shade Fair. Foundation, I just have the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter on, and then my, oh my gosh, I can't talk, Milani powder. I'll link and list everything down below for you guys to make your life a little easier. So I'm gonna jump right into, holy guacamole, your girl almost dropped it. I died a little inside. Whoo, I'm dramatic, I know, whatever. Okay, so I hop right into this shade right here. I don't do the entire lid with this shade. It is called Tusk. And what I do is kind of like halfway up, I guess you could say, I apply this. And I kind of use this as like my base shadow. When I am filming this, and I'm not trying to be an enabler, because you guys know I just did my FOMO video, and I talked about, you know, just because things are on sale, do not feel like you have to pick it up. All I'm saying is right now the Sephora VIB Rouge VIB sale is going on. So if you can get 15 to 20% off and you are interested in a Natasha Denona palette, I would say this would be the time. Or just wait until it gets duped, because well, I mean, I don't know if it's going to get duped, but we're hoping it gets duped. Okay, so from here, I always jump into the shade Tone. Right here, again, very simple colors. Go like this. I mean, it's like a very quick process. Like, I'm extending this video out only because I talk way too much. I will tell you guys right now, I was blown away. The Natasha Denona palettes at Sephora are on sale for $99. I don't know if all of them are, but I just happened to, you know, be glancing on the Sephora website. And again, the sale may be over by the time I upload this video, and I'm gonna apologize in advance. Like I said, today's Wednesday, August 21st, so happy Wednesday, friends. Not for sure what day it is for you, but happy day to you. But they were on sale, or are on sale, for $99 plus 15 to 20% off. I'm like, you know, why do you do that? I mean, I have them, but it's annoying because I paid full price for them. Stop judging, it's a judgment-free zone. Okay, so from here, I do go in with a little bit of the shade Freckle. I'm not a makeup artist, by the way, friends. I'm just a makeup enthusiast. I don't use any particular, like, fancy brushes. This is, like, a ginormously old, that made no sense, a freakishly old Morphe, I think it's, like, M576. It's fallen off. I used to be a part of the Morphe Me subscription, but then my credit card number was conveniently stolen and it was bad. So I cut that right quick. It was like right when all that controversy was going on, or whatever that word is, where their system had been hacked and a lot of people lost their credit card was stolen. It was not a good time. It was not a good time. Bad. That was so goofy. Okay, next I go in with the shade Seed, and I do actually switch my brush to another Morphe M411 brush. You guys don't have to get it. Again, I use whatever is sent to me in a subscription. Like I said, I used to be a member of the Morphe Me subscription literally like two years ago, if not longer. So I'm just going to put this in the outer part of the eye, and then whatever's left after I kind of buff it out, I'm going to put under the eye. I have slightly hooded eyes, and I don't have a lot of real estate, or whatever they call it. So you guys will notice that I don't tend to take too many dark colors over the entire lid or all the way over in the crease, just because I feel like it shuts my eye off a little bit. I do a lot of dab dab, pat pat, and then slowly kind of circle my brush around, because I do, like I said, have mature lids. So, you know, the process I have to do to apply my shadow may be different than yours. Okay, so then to kind of calm that down a little bit, I go back into the shade Tone and then dab it over that dark Seed shade. Did I even review this Biba palette for you guys? I don't know. For what I paid for it, I should have, right? That kind of softens it up a little bit. Then I go in with the shade, well, I may not have on that one, I don't remember, but I am going to go in with the shade Shine because it's gorgeous. And I am going to use my Alamar brush that came in a Boxycharm, and I'm just going to pack it on this beginning part of my lid, whatever it would be called. Tap tap. I, again, don't carry it all the way over. I just kind of like that. I don't know. You don't come here for technical terms now, do you, friends? Boom. That is it. And then what I do is I go in again with this little flat Alamar brush, and then I mix the shade Spot, this black one, and Seed, and then I kind of stamp that close to my lash line to give the appearance of liner, but it's not as harsh, as well as it helps to kind of make my lashes appear to be a smidge fuller, but they not. Like you guys can tell, it's not dramatic at all. It's just very, almost like shadowed or shaded. That's it. And I don't go all the way over. It's just kind of like halfway, where I kind of want those lashes to look like they go like this. You know what I mean? I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna do my mascara and my liner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner and my lashes and actually lipstick. I'll go through everything with you guys. As far as my liner goes, I actually have the Lasting Drama Waterproof Liner by Maybelline. That is on my tight line. Then on my waterline, the Benefit Highbrow, you guys know it's like my go-to nude waterline type of liner. As far as my mascara goes, I have the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. Again, it's a habit. You don't necessarily have to put this on when you use the Too Faced mascara. This particular mascara. You guys know that I've told you guys in the past, my niece, my nephew, or my nieces and my nephews watch my channel, and we don't say dirty parties on this channel. So, anyways, lips, Gerard Cosmetics, Sugar and Spice, and then lipstick between the sheets. And that is everything that I have on my face, and of course, my setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Slay All Day in Orange Dreamsicle. It's the collab with Rich Luxe. You guys see it right here. I do have a coupon code, 30% off Hotmess. We'll save you 30%. You can buy this by itself individually, or you can buy the whole set if it's still available. Again, Hotmess, 30% off. Okay, so this was my go-to look. like I said, I'm like 99% sure I added the shimmer in there. I've also been known to go back and not add the shimmer and just to add a little bit more of this shade Tusk in here. But this is a crazy simple, easy go-to look. This is my, I am not really feeling like doing like the full thought process. I just kind of boom, done. So anyways, if you guys have any other requests like that, I greatly appreciate it. I love hearing from you guys. Of course, give me the big vote. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever it may be, but that tells me if you guys enjoy these impromptu videos like that, playing with, again, eyeshadow palettes that I already have in my collection. You guys, I am learning to love things that I totally had completely forgotten about, and trust me, there is going to be eyeshadow palettes, more looks coming of eyeshadow palettes that I'm pretty sure that we totally forgot even existed. Doggone FOMO, man. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, make sure to vote and give me a big thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever it may be. Either way, I greatly appreciate y'all's input. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Check my description box down below for my second channel, both of my daughter's channels, as well as I'll have everything that's on my face linked and listed down below for you guys. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.